I want to set up my lights because I want to do a long video this night, and I don't have everything I need for my long form videos yet. I have this microphone that I've never used before, but someone told me that this microphone is really stressful, so I ordered another one. So for the video that I'm shooting today, I don't think I'll be using this mic. I might use it, I don't know. But then the lightnings that I ordered, they've not arrived, so I do improvise. And I just want to take you guys behind the scene of the stress I go through to create the stress I go through to create long form videos on YouTube, so that when you see my videos, when you see my long video, when you see that video, you are gonna watch it. So that's what I want to prepare, and just want to show you guys how I set up for now. So the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna turn this fan off. Yeah. Turn this fan. Turn this fan off because I won't be needing it. Be careful. I won't be needing this fan, so I'm gonna put it right here.
I can still see myself.
Move. I didn't ask you. I'm showing them something. I ordered some lights. They are coming, and when they come, I won't have to stress myself. Yeah, I won't have to stress myself with these lights anymore. Oh my God! But for now, yeah, this is what I do. Oh my God! This light is very, very silly. Very, very silly light. Nonsense. Anytime I need it to come on, it will not come on. When I don't need it, kill. Nonsense. For now.
What you said?
Nothing.
To that guy. Tell me.
Oh my God. You do this one. That light, very nonsense light. Thank God I have another one. Oh my God, ta. What the heck, ta. Whoa. You do this one. Thank you for asking about my stomach. It's completely healed now. I'm fine. What is going on? Hey, leave that light alone. That light. Look at my ring light. That's how I set up. Wait, let me turn off the light. So, because when I'm ready to shoot, this light is gonna be off. So let me turn it off, so you guys will understand. Yeah. That's what I'm showing you. Now I'm showing you behind the scenes what I go through before I'm able to post my video. So that when you see my video, you will not skip it anymore. You will not skip it. You're gonna watch it. On the light, please. For now, yeah. Yeah, then I'll on my ring lights too. Stop that.
I just do a magic. I just appear.
Now on my ring light as well. What happened? See? Oh, you're going to bring chair. Go and bring one of those dining chairs for me.
Dining?
Yeah, one of those. Move. Oh, you go to my shop, you see my ring light. The long tripod. Bring it for me.
The long tripod.
You're seeing the setup, right? Yeah. Yes, this is how I shoot my long form videos. It's looking good, eh? Yeah, guys, I just wanted to show you guys behind the scene of my video shoot setup. Right? Please close that door. Close that door. The other light is interrupting everything else back there. Close that door. So this is my setup. This is everything. Yeah, and close the door. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah. So what's gonna happen now is, I'm just gonna start going through everything I want to do in the video, check if I'm gonna use this microphone, just basically play around
Is that microphone like this?
It's a microphone, yeah. Until my husband gets home. When he's home, he's gonna eat and stay with the baby. Yeah, he'll eat, stay with the baby, then I can go ahead and shoot my video.
Yeah, also,
Well, I'm just doing this to show everyone the stress. So in case you are browsing and going through YouTube and you see my video pop up, right? Not my live stream, my regular video. YouTube has a part where you can post shorts, live, video, and post if you want to. So if you see my video, my long form video, yeah, this is the process. Thank you so much. Move. You're shouting in my ear. Yeah. So this is the process I go through to be able to
and this is
record,
the process too.
yeah, a long form video. So please, okay, thank you so much guys for staying with me while I got ready to shoot my video for today. Ekene munu. Dalo. Asante sana. Gracias. Merci beaucoup. Kamsamida. In what other language? Eshe. What other language do I know how to say thank you? Dhanyavad. Dhanyavad is Hindi.
Annyeong.
Yeah.
Abad annyeong.
Annyeong. Is annyeong thank you? It's thank you I'm saying. Why are you telling me annyeong?
You think?
I'm just saying thank you.
Kumawa.
Kumawa. Kumawa is thank you in South Korean.